We are starting off the week in bearish territory for the most part. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, May 11th, 2015. And the S&P down 0.5%, Dow down 0.4%, the same for the NASDAQ. Small caps, though, has managed to find some green territory. And that has a lot to do with the banks being up more than 0.53%. That is very bullish in today's bearish market. Gold up by 0.4%, silver up by 1.2%. And here we are taking a look at the markets, and oh yeah, you'll see all these dots. And you'll see one triangle. The reason it's a triangle is I'm logged in under my name, so anything that I do comes to be a triangle. You'll see a dot there. If you go to TradingView and sign up with them, find this at the spider. I called this as being a high. Watch for it to drop, and it dropped. However, it was very close to do that today. I was going to say here, look for a drop. After all, we have a tweezer top and a lower low. Usually that would be indicative of further dropping taking place here. But the reason I am not that sold on the fact that we're going to drop further is because of small caps. If I look here at small caps, we actually ended in bullish territory. We actually had a really big day, but it did drop back. Shooting star reversal pattern. But overall relatively stronger than the rest of the indices. Now the banks, this is what is huge. Resistance. We just broke above resistance on the banks. Remember this? I've been calling it a cocoon, if you will. And I said if we can break over that, that would be very bullish. Gang, this is like a green sprout. It's springtime. You'll start to see the green sprouts take place in gardens, and then it grows from there. That could be very much the case for financials. And if that happens, the rest of the market should follow suit. Very interesting to see this. So going back to the spider, yes, we have a red candlestick. It's almost not really. It's going to call it a bearish engulfing, but it really isn't. It's a tweezer top and with a lower low. So usually there'd be follow through to the downside here. Today's drop happened on very light volume. So there's a great chance of another white candlestick developing here, if not up above this trend line going into tomorrow. Zero chance I'm going long this market in hopes that will happen. I want to trade what I see, not what I think. So I think we're going to make a lateral move sideways or start to head higher based off of what I'm seeing on the banks. Take a look here at gold. Now gold's at a support area. Support, it rallied. Support, little rally. Support, little pop. We're at that support level. Now, if it breaks down below that, that's going to be a short opportunity. However, if you want to be a little risky, buy gold now with a tight stop loss. Look for a breakout to the upside. Here we are taking a look at, I want to put that at the silver here. Silver is a big triangle. Every time we try to get above resistance, it just sells off here. But we're staying at this resistance area, almost like it's ready for it to pop. Be interesting to see if it can do that. Now, let's take a look at some tech stocks of interest. And we had GoPro down 2.7%. So I had this hammer, a pop. Thought that would be a decent run, but it was short-lived here. Little money made, not a lot. And then stopping out on this one. So that was down 2.7%. And LinkedIn was up almost 0.8%, but it's just down here in no man's land. So nothing to write home about. But Taser's up 4% today. Nice bull pullback. Boom to the upside. Volume wasn't grand, but I like the fact that it's starting to make a rally higher. I would look for more upside potential on Taser. So there you have it. We'll catch up with you guys later.